Not keeping clean can make life tougher. People might start to avoid you if you're always dirty, and that can feel really lonely. Plus, bad hygiene has physical effects too, like making you sick. Germs are everywhere, and while some are harmless, others can cause infections that are painful and dangerous. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have the ultimate guide to personal hygiene, where we'll be focusing on those often overlooked body parts that require special attention to stay squeaky clean from head to toe: ears. Let's start with the ears. Earbuds and Q-tips may seem like a quick fix, but they can be dangerous and lead to infections. Instead, opt for a safer method: a wet washcloth wrapped around your finger to gently clean the inside of your ears. Did you know that the taste buds on your tongue can harbor bacteria and cause bad breath? To clean it effectively, use a soft toothbrush or the tongue scraper on the back of your toothbrush to gently scrape away any buildup and maintain fresh breath. Belly button. Surprisingly, the belly button often gets neglected, but it can harbor up to 60 types of bacteria. To clean it properly, take a Q-tip soaked in soap and water and gently wipe the area, then follow up with a wet washcloth for a thorough cleanse. Nails. Our nails can trap dirt and bacteria, especially the skin underneath. Keep them clean by using a soft nail brush while in the shower or washing your hands. This simple habit will ensure your nails and the surrounding skin stay healthy and free from germs. Vagina. Moving on to a more personal topic, let's talk about vaginal hygiene. Remember, the inside of the vagina is self-cleaning, so avoid using soaps or washes internally. Instead, use a mild, unscented soap to clean the outside, especially during your period. Feet. Our hardworking feet deserve some extra care. Ensure you wash your feet thoroughly, paying attention to the skin between your toes, where bacteria can thrive. Drying your feet completely is crucial to avoid moisture-related infections that might be causing foot odor. There you have it, the ultimate guide to personal hygiene. Remember, good hygiene is essential for overall well-being. Stay tuned for more helpful tips, and as always, stay glamours.